So next up, falling TVs or fridges?
So that's why you got killed by a fridge. I think it's fridge because +1 on the death counter.
Good logic, makes sense.
Okay, so here's the thing though. In my head, how can a TV kill you? Like, they're pretty light and like pretty small.
I think fridges kill people more.
Yeah, I think fridges just because they're heavier.
I'm actually curious. Yeah, what is it?
Well, funny enough, Hosa, you were exactly correct. It is fridges, and it beats TVs by 1 as well.
What?